Introducing geometry, we are going to start with the lesson of angles. Let's revise what we took in our previous classes. Okay, those are types of angles. The small one, let's remember, it's called an acute angle. It's always less than 90 degrees. The right angle, it is exactly 90 degrees. Obtuse angle, it's greater. Look how wide it is. It's greater than 90 and less than 180. The angle that measures 180, it's called straight angle. The one that measures more than 180 is called a reflex angle. Okay, and a full angle is called full rotation, and it is exactly 360 degrees. This is from your book, page number 140. You can open your book with me and try to answer these questions together. Okay, what is the type of angle number 1? It's wide, more than 90, less than 180. So this angle, it's an obtuse angle. Next one, less than 90, it is an acute angle. This is not a straight, it is more than 180, and they express it with this arc, showing you which area, not the inside but the outside. So this angle, it's a reflex angle. Reflex angle. This one is less than 180, more than 90, so this is an obtuse angle. Okay, guys, figure these out. I guess those are easy for you to figure out. Okay, let's remember now how to measure angles using the protractor. Okay, measuring angles without using the using the protractor. This is on page number 174. We are going to use certain questions, and I'm going to leave the rest for you to solve. Okay, now I printed out the page. Again, page 174. This is the protractor that we are going to use to measure these angles. Those are kind of easy ones: acute, obtuse, and acute. Okay, you can rotate your book or your page so you can figure out how to measure these angles. First, the protractor has a baseline, okay? And this baseline must touch one of the hands for this angle. Okay, let's fix the base. Here's the line of the base, right, guys? Fix it on the angle and fix the middle point that points at 90 in the top or this point of the angle exactly. Okay, sometimes you mix between which answer I have to take. Is it going to be 30 or it's going to be 150? Remember, this is an acute angle, so you have two answers: 30. You have another number showing here, 150. As long as this angle is acute, you are going to pick the 30. Sometimes I see some students are mixing up which angle they have to answer. Okay, next one. The baseline, fix it on one hand of these angles, right? The middle point here on this point. Okay. Oh, I figure out there's something wrong with my protractor. You have to be careful when you pick the baseline. It must be horizontally with this zero connecting to each other. This one, you have to be careful using your protractor, guys. I'm going to check again. Okay, it's more. So these answers are different. You have to be careful, guys, while using the protractors and to figure out where is the baseline. Sorry, I mixed up. So we have two answers, 33 or 147. Okay, acute angle, I'm going to pick out the 33. Here again. Oh, I mixed up. Again, the baseline must be the line between this zero and this zero. This protractor just really tricked me. This is not the baseline of this protractor. This is the baseline here in this point. Okay, let's measure. Okay, we have two answers, whether it's 60 or 120. This is an acute. Always the measurement of the acute angles are less than 90. So I'm going to pick the 60. Next one. Okay, baseline, point at point. Be accurate as much as you can. Okay, we are going to read this side this time. We have two measurements, whether it's going to be 20 or 160. This is an acute angle, as you see, so I'm going to pick the 20. Here, obtuse. So the measurement must be more than 90. Baseline on one hand of the angle, and the midpoint at the point of the angle. Let's take the measurements. I have whether it is 45 or I have 135. This is an obtuse angle, so I'm going to pick 135. Last one, I'm going to flip it so I can measure it easily. Okay, I can do it this way. Can you do it? I dare you. I know you can do it. Okay, guys. Base on base, point at point. Okay, we have two readings, whether it's going to be 35 or going to be 145. So, whether it's going to be 135 or it's going to be 45, it is an acute angle. The acute angle is less than 90, so I'm going to pick 45. Try these out. Okay, the next one is definitely one of you ask himself or herself how to measure the reflex angle. The reflex angle, guys, first you have to find the inside angle. In your book, it's already showing this is 35 from inside. When you find the inner side, you can find it by this formula. The missing angle here, whether they call it here called P, here called Q, here called it R, whatever. So the measurement of P here is going to be a full round of an angle, a full round. For round, remember, it's the value of it is 360. Take away the known angle. The known angle here in this case is 35. So the measurement of, instead of X, I'm going to pick P. Okay, so P is going to be equals the full angle, right? It's going to be 360. Take away the known angle, which is 35. equals I did it because I want to remind you, when we subtract these numbers, you have to regroup. The 0 becomes 10 and the 6 becomes 5. Subtract. The answer 10 take away 5. 5, 2, 3. So the measurement of this angle is 325. Okay, next one. This is Q. Q equals a full round. Take away the value that's inside. I can't read it clearly, but it looks like it's 38. Let me check with my book. Where's the book? Page 175. It is 28. So Q is 28. I'm going to leave 14 and 15 for you. Okay. So here it is 28. Take away 28. 360. Take away 28. 10. 5. 2. 3. 3 degrees. Always remember to put down the degrees sign. Okay? R equals 360 degrees. Take away 110 degrees. This one easy. 0 take away 0 is 0. 6 take away 1 equals 5. 3 take away 1 equals 2. So the measurement of this reflex angle equals 250. Okay? Next, when you have to measure a reflex angle, you don't know the measurement from the inside or the outside. The way is you have to find the missing inside part. Okay? So I'm going to use the protractor. Okay? Find its measurements. This is an acute angle. It's almost 31. So x equals 31. Now we have to find the outside. Let's name it as y. So y equals, remember the formula here, we have to bring 360, take the known angle to find the missing one. Okay, so y equals 360 degrees, take away the 31, equals 329 degrees. It's okay if you plus or minus 1 degree, it's okay with me, because some protractors, they are different between each other, and sometimes they are plus minus 1 degree. Let's start with question number 17. Okay, acute angle from inside, it points 15, so this one missing inside is 15 degrees. So y here is 329 degrees. Let's name this one as x degrees. So 360 take away 15 equals 5, 4, 3, 345 degrees. The next one, this is an obtuse angle. Let's find its measurement. Okay, we have 60 or 120 because it's an obtuse angle. I'm going to pick up the higher measurement, which is, this is 120. Okay, now we are going to find, let's name it as P. So P is going to be equal 360. Take away 120 degrees. The answer is going to be 0, 4, 2. So P the outside angle or the reflex angle equals 240 degrees, guys. And that's it for today.